What brought me here, it's my paintings. My name is Edna Medina. I'm a Mexican living in Vancouver, and I love painting. I like painting women. I think it's just because I'm very comfortable with the female figure. Most of the people that I interact with are women, so it's a topic that's really comfortable for me to bring some ideas into paintings. I don't know any of them, they're just in my mind, and I use references to achieve the image that I'm looking for. I tried painting a male face, but it ended up looking like a woman. It's just something that I've been doing for a long, long time. But I will say that it's been more serious in the last, 4 years. If I have a bad day, I just go and sit and I go nowhere. I'm just there. I don't think, it's like in my case, like I stop thinking and I just go straight to that task. I don't like to say it's a task, but something that it really helps me to unwind. And it's been like that since always in my life. I don't have a real organization to start, for example, a face. I have seen that many artists, they have a really organized way to go from one corner and start filling out, and you can see how the canvas goes alive. But in my case, I just something maybe a little bit ADHD. I don't know. I started with one eye, and then I said no, maybe I just I'll do the shadows of the nose, and then I jump into the chin, and then I just go back to the eyes. Whenever I feel like I'm needing to finish one side of the painting, I just do it. Maybe, I don't know, someone educated in art will say oh, that's a weird way to do it, but that's what it works for me. These pieces, I noticed that sometimes when you grow up, you lose flexibility. And I saw a woman doing yoga in a class, and she was in this position. And I saw how the body was so relaxed, and even though it takes the strength for the body to maintain the weight, balanced, she was so in control doing that pose that I feel oh, that's beautiful. She was just in complete control, but also at the same time comfortable. I don't know how to explain it exactly, but I saw it and I just loved it. And I asked her, can I take you a picture? She was like, yeah, sure. And so that's her. I never feel like the piece is fully finished, so I always wanted to add something more. So I wanted to show her until I feel 100% that, yeah, I'm gonna show her this. Maybe it could be tomorrow and not adding anything else, but yeah. The scale of the paintings that I do, it's random. But something that I noticed in this year, this is the first large canvas that I do. And I say large because for me this is a large canvas. I usually do small things because I felt afraid to do it bigger. I was not sure that if it's gonna work for me because I felt comfortable in the small scale, right? And then I tried to use different forms of the canvas, like the oval, round, even heart-shaped, to see how they fit to the idea that I wanted to. I don't have a real organized way to start painting. Sometimes I come up with an idea in the middle of the day and I just made a note, And then I go and try to sketch something fast, and I put it like for another time. And then when I have the time and the energy to do it, I just bring it to the canvas. Oh yeah, right now I'm in love with this color palette. I also have done other pieces with something similar. Also this one. But with this one, this is the first one that I did with this color palette, and I just fell in love and how bright. I feel like it's also happy. You can even paint someone that looks sad, and the colors will bring you some, happiness. I feel like that. So for now, I'm sticking to it, and I'm gonna try something different once I feel like I wanna try. Sometimes I'm afraid of color. I don't know if that makes sense. That maybe I'm gonna just ruin it. I'm gonna ruin the idea, because sometimes you just draw it and it's like, oh, it's perfect. Now it's perfect, but I don't know if I'm gonna ruin it with the paint. Does that make sense? And when I was trying this one, I was just being so careful to looking for the shadows in the right place and everything. And it just took me so long to finish. And I was like, it was a simple one, but I was new to the colors. So it took me a lot of time to reach what I wanted to. I don't really know how many color palettes I've tried. I just like to explore the colors whenever I feel that I want to. Oh, I saw something that's bright or shiny. I love shiny stuff. And I just want to try it. Even though I don't really or fully understand how color works, when it's eye-catching for me, I want to try it. Right now I'm preparing a few pieces for the show, around 6 or 7, and a couple of them are here. I haven't been in an art show before, but I tried to sell my paintings in other ways, like going to a pop-up market or with friends here and there, and that's it. I found out about the Under 100 show browsing on Instagram, and I just saw this video, and I thought that it was a great opportunity for me to go out with my art for the first time. I'm grateful for these spaces to exist, because it allows us as artists to express ourselves and to be outside and to have this deadline to work on something that we like to do, and that can also be in someone else's house and make them happy. And this movement is very important for me, because it's the first time that I try with a real space and some other people that they paint too or do art in general. And I want to say thank you. That's it.